Hello and welcome to PassFab channel. If you're having a problem where you have forgotten your Apple ID password and can't unlock your iPhone, you got stuck on the activation lock screen, or you need to reset your phone. If you are asked for your Apple ID credentials, you can simply input your Apple ID email and password to proceed. If you have forgotten your Apple ID email and password, it is frustrating, but you don't have to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to unlock your iPhone if you have forgotten your Apple ID password. The first method is to reset your Apple ID password through Apple's official recovery site, iforgot.apple.com. This page is made for users who forgot their password or had their account locked for security reasons. Go to iforgot.apple.com in your browser, enter your Apple ID email, and tap Continue. You'll then need to verify your identity by entering the phone number linked to your Apple ID. Apple will send a verification code to that number, either by text or notification. Enter the code, click Continue, and you'll be able to create a new password and unlock your iPhone. If you can't verify your phone number or don't have access to it, move on to the next method. The second method is to reset your password directly from another Apple device that's already signed in with your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your name, go to Sign In and Security, then select Change Password. A verification code will be sent to your trusted device. Enter that code, and you can immediately set a new password. Once done, consider setting up a recovery key or adding recovery contacts to avoid being locked out again in the future. If you don't have another signed-in device or need a faster solution, try the next method. The third method is to use PassFab iPhone Unlock, a professional tool that removes the iCloud activation lock, even if you no longer remember your Apple ID or password. It works on all iPhone and iPad models. Head to the link in the video description to download and install the software on your computer. Connect your locked iPhone via USB, open the program, and choose Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Click Start, and the software will guide you to put your device into DFU mode, short for Device Firmware Update. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the screen goes black. After a few seconds, release the side button, but keep holding the volume down button. The jailbreak will begin automatically and take around 8 minutes. When it's done, click Start again. Your device will reboot and enter recovery mode once more. Follow the on-screen instructions to re-enter DFU mode so that PassFab iPhone Unlock can finish the process. After a few minutes, the activation lock will be completely removed. Your iPhone will reboot and the lock will be completely gone. You can now set it up as a new device and sign in with a fresh Apple ID. And that's it. Your iPhone is ready to go. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech solutions.